Welcome to CESCG 2024. So again, this year we have an amazing program. First our seminar, then the academy and our expo.
It's a really great opportunity to meet new people, great aspiring scientists that deal in the field of computer vision, visual computing and also computer graphics, user experience and all computer science topics.
This is a very unusual format with a very relaxed atmosphere, also with very young people. So actually the selection of topics I found maybe even more interesting than in some of the professional conferences.
In my work, I explore the possibility of using measured reflectance in real-time graphics.
Have you ever wondered which VR interaction method truly enhances the rock climbing experience?
My paper is on implementing a multi-resolution mesh rendering engine.
My research focuses on deep learning-based segmentation and classification of histological colon cells.
I have developed a cropping algorithm that crops out the frames where the person is located exactly.
In my work, I simulate the quantum mechanical wave function.
CESCG stands for the Central European Seminar on Computer Graphics. Even though we're focused on Central Europe, we have an even broader audience this year with people coming from England and France, all to listen in on our amazing program.
I'm Lucas, I'm from Vienna.
I'm from the University of Zurich.
I'm from France. This is my first time here.
I'm Fatana Jafari from Afghanistan.
My supervisor said to me there is a very nice and good event in Slovakia. So I say, okay, why not? And in the castle, I say, okay, let's go.
This is my first time at Smolnitze Castle and it's absolutely beautiful, stunning fairy tale castle.
Just even getting by car here, like it's beautiful nature and this old architecture has a special vibe.
It's nice, it's unique, and I especially like that it's like further from the city and from like civilization.
If you spend a lot of time in the typical American business hotel, then I think this is extremely refreshing. And you know, as a European, I would say this is something that is unique to European countries, that we can have this sort of environment.
We have like retro games here, especially like Pong. We have racing simulators, we have sport activities. You can experience short movies in virtual reality. You can also play card games and games that you can play all together. You can experience basically like a completed game, completed by our students, and people can try that as well. My personal favorite is the racing simulator, but the piano is so far the most popular for sure.
The conference is very unique, the venue, the people, it's a student conference, so it's very lively. People bring all sorts of perspectives. For me as like an old person, it's always nice to get in touch with people who are on top of the current technology.
It's very authentic, like people don't show off, they just ask questions, they are open when they don't understand something.
People are here to learn something, to show their experience, and this is the best people.
It opens up opportunities for students to not only present their ideas and get feedback, but also to network.
It's a crowd that is kind of like computer graphics oriented. We speak the same language, they understand what we are doing, what's the challenges there.
You can totally dive into the technical parts of your project and they understand. Like usually if you pitch your startup, audiences often are not technical and they just want to understand the business model, etc. But here you can talk about all the technical stuff, which is cool, why I also brought two of my engineers.
I would definitely recommend for anybody who is like somehow in computer graphics to come here.
So definitely we will come again.
If you're interested in these topics, please come join us next year at CESCG 2025.